So what is the evidence that the Gospels were written by the disciples?
The original Greek manuscripts of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John did not have at the beginning the Gospel according to Matthew, the Gospel according to Mark. It was not there. It just starts. But the overwhelming evidence of church tradition of people in the 1st century, 2nd century is that Matthew wrote Matthew, Mark wrote Mark, Luke wrote Luke, and John wrote John. Now, I can't prove that, but the testimony of the 1st century followers of Christ, the 2nd century followers of Christ, the 3rd century followers of Christ is that these guys wrote these Gospels. Now, why were the Gospels not written until 20, 30, 40, 50 years after Christ? Because of the strong oral tradition that existed. When you read the Sermon on the Mount, Jesus says, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted." He speaks in easily memorized phrases. The parables of Christ, stories, easily memorized